Before we begin the setup process, let's start with the definition for ChromeDriver. And it is simply an executable that controls Chrome. And here is a more technical definition. You may be wondering why we need ChromeDriver in the first place. And it is because without ChromeDriver, our task cannot execute on the Chrome browser. Now let's learn how to set it up. To set up the ChromeDriver, we need to download it. I'm going to search for ChromeDriver download. And I'm going to select the first search result here from chromium.org website. And here we see that we have two available versions. One is a beta version and the other one is a stable release. We're going to go for the stable release and click that. On this screen, you're going to select the file that matches your system configurations. I'm using a Windows system, so I'm going to select Win32. And we see that the file has downloaded. Let's open the file. And here we see that it has downloaded to our downloads folder. As you will notice, this is just an executable file, so there's nothing to install. All you need to do now is place this file anywhere on your system. In my case, I will place it in the C drive. So I'm going to copy this file and then go to my C drive, and here I have an automation folder. I'm going to click that, and then I have a web drivers folder. So I'm going to click that and then paste it here. Next, we need to set the system path. And to do that, we're going to copy the location of where this file is located. So let's click here and say Ctrl-C to copy this path. Then we're going to click on the Windows logo and search for path. And then we're going to select Edit System Environment Variables. On this System Properties screen, we're going to click Environment Variables. And then in the System Variables section, we're going to search for path. And here's the path. Now we're going to click Edit. This is what the Edit screen looks on Windows 7. If you're using Windows 10, this screen is going to be different. You're going to have a button that says New. You're going to click that button to edit this path variable. In Windows 7, you click this, and then you go to the end of the line, and then you type semicolon. And then we paste the path for ChromeDriver. Now we click OK on this Windows. To verify that our installation was successful, we're going to launch a command prompt window. And we're going to type ChromeDriver.exe-v to see what version of Chrome we're using. When we hit enter, we see that the ChromeDriver version we have is 87. And it proves that the setup is successful.